This is more than just meat on fire. This is one of the oldest cooking methods in human history, grilling. Before kitchens, before recipes, before restaurants, there was fire. And there was food. Thousands of years ago, humans discovered that cooking meat over fire did something magical. It made it safer, tastier, and easier to eat. And from that moment, grilling became a part of who we are. Across the world, every culture developed its own way of cooking over fire. In the Middle East, grilling is all about flavor and tradition. Kebabs, kofta, marinated with spices, cooked over open charcoal, where the smoke itself becomes part of the taste. In Turkey, grilling turns into art. Perfectly balanced meat, carefully seasoned, slowly cooked over heat with precision and pride. In South America, grilling is not just cooking. It's a celebration. In Brazil and Argentina, churrasco is a social event. Large cuts of meat, grilled slowly, shared with family and friends. Time slows down, the fire burns slowly, and the experience becomes just as important as the food itself. In the United States, barbecue becomes a culture of its own. Low and slow cooking, smoke, sauces, and techniques passed down for generations. Every region has its own style. Every grill tells a story. In East Asia, grilling becomes interactive. In Korea and Japan, people gather around the grill, cooking their own food piece by piece, sharing the experience together. Here, you don't just eat, you participate. Across all these cultures, the ingredients may change, the spices may differ, the techniques may evolve, but the feeling remains the same. Fire brings people together. Grilling is rarely done alone. It happens in gatherings, in celebrations, in moments that matter. Because grilling is not just about food, it's about connection. The sound of meat sizzling, the smell of smoke in the air, the warmth of the fire. These are things that go beyond taste. They create memories. And no matter where you are in the world, if you see fire and food cooking over it, you know exactly what it means. It means people are coming together. Because in the end, grilling is not just a method, it's a universal language. So tell me, what's your favorite type of grilled food? And where in the world would you want to experience it? Subscribe and explore more food stories from around the world.